There's a good cup of coffee, there's a perfect cup of coffee, and then there's an amazing cup of coffee. And today I'm going to tell you how to make an amazing cup of coffee, and it is going to be with this Eurolux percolator. It's a stovetop percolator. You can use it on gas or electric. I've even put it on the grill in a power outage. Yes. It is very simple to operate. I know people get intimidated, but all you have to do is fill it up to the water line, and then inside there's a strainer, okay? And just like so, you put it on the stovetop, you put your coffee grinds in, cover it, turn on the gas. It'll take about 5 minutes for the water to get hot enough to start to perk through. And then I let it perk 5 to 6 minutes. It all depends on how strong you want your coffee. The hot water circulating through the coffee really develops a rich, bold cup of coffee. It's unparalleled, the amazing flavor that you get out of this cup. And again, it's hotter than I find with the pods or with the drip cup of coffee. At night, I'll fill this up, put my coffee in, put it on the stovetop, so in the morning when I wake up, all I have to do is turn on the gas and it's ready to go. And I sit and work on my computer for a little bit until, get in the box, until the coffee's ready. So if you're looking for a gift for someone, could be a birthday gift, just a I like you gift, or a coffee lover gift, friends, get this Eurolux 9 cup. It also comes in a 12 cup coffee percolator, and you will have the most amazing cup of coffee of your life. Good morning.